Hello guys, so today I will share smart bin concept, how this circuit works. So first of all, let me introduce what is a smart bin, what could it be. So suppose this is a bin, normal bin. So how can we make it and develop it? So by adding a lead. Now there's a problem. How can we guess that how much it is full? And suppose I'm going to throw an trash here, so I need to remove it by manually, by hand or by foot. So we can make it automatic. So for that I create a concept map here. So you can see there's the lead, and there's an ultrasonic sensor. Here's an ultrasonic sensor, and on top of the lead there's a servo motor, and the function of the servo motor is to pull this lead. So when the servo motor rotates and pulls the lead, and it will open, and when it moves backward, like on the front, then it will close the lead. So, and here's an ultrasonic sensor, and the function of this is, suppose you're moving your hand in front of it, so it will sense that there's an object coming, hand moving here in front of the bin. Then it will automatically move this servo hand and open the lead. Then you can move the trash here, and the function of this ultrasonic sensor, it's moving bottom like this, in this way. So what the function of this is to estimate the height of the smart bin. Suppose if it gets full, then it will sense that there's the height difference between the top of the ultrasonic sensor and the bottom is very low, which means it's full. And if it's very high, which means that there's an empty space in the bin. And there's the Arduino. Let us the Arduino beside the Arduino smart bin. So now let's check the circuit here. So I'm going to attach the battery. Okay, so there's a display, and it's showing how much it is filled. So at first it's showing some errors. Okay, so negative 500%. This is because there's no object in front of it. Suppose I move my hand there, see, 11%, 88%, 83%, and if I move closer, it's showing that it's full. See, 93%, and if I move it, it's showing more spaces left. Fill 33%, 30%, 16%, 11%. Now, and so this ultrasonic sensor is this one, the one that inside of the bin, and this ultrasonic sensor is in front of it. So there's a servo. Like now, if I move my hand, see, the servo rotates, and again if I move it, so it should go back and close the lead again. So that's how it works.